In a shocking twist, Xiaomi has just confirmed that it is skipping the Xiaomi 16 series entirely and jumping straight to the Xiaomi 17 lineup. But here's where things get even crazier. Leaks of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max reveal a radical new design with a dual display setup, while the company's new HyperOS 3 software is taking some very familiar design cues from Apple's iPhone 17 and iOS 26. So, let's break down everything you need to know about Xiaomi's boldest flagship move yet. It all started with what seemed like an accidental reveal. Xiaomi's official Weibo account briefly updated its profile picture to show the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, before quickly reverting it. Was it a genuine mistake? Or a clever marketing trick? Either way, the damage was done, and the leak is out. From the image, we can clearly see a large rectangular camera module with rounded corners, housing a primary camera sensor, a periscope telephoto shooter, a third ultra-wide sensor, the Leica branding and an LED flash module. But that's not all. This isn't just a camera island, it's also home to a secondary cover display. Yes, you heard that right. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max will feature a rear display built directly into the camera housing. This secondary screen is much larger than what we saw on the Mi 11 Ultra, and early speculation suggests it will be able to show time, notifications, and battery info, act as a viewfinder for selfies, and possibly support interactive widgets. It's a concept we've mostly seen on flip phones like Xiaomi's own Mix Flip 2, but Xiaomi is now bringing it to a slab-style flagship. If done right, this could be a major game changer for usability. And under the hood? Xiaomi's new flagship will be powered by Qualcomm's just-confirmed Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, ensuring top-tier AI performance, better gaming, and improved efficiency. But Xiaomi's big changes don't stop at hardware. Its upcoming HyperOS 3 software seems to be heavily influenced by Apple's latest innovations. First up is Xiaomi Super Island. If that sounds familiar, it should. Back in 2022, Apple introduced the dynamic island on the iPhone 14 Pro. Since then, Android brands like Oppo, OnePlus, and Samsung have all jumped on board. And now, Xiaomi has entered the chat. Xiaomi Super Island will support live notifications, small window multitasking, and even up to 3 active islands at once, making it potentially more versatile than Apple's original version. Then comes the design language. When Apple introduced iOS 26, one of the biggest talking points was the liquid glass UI, a glossy frosted design, reminiscent of Windows Vista's Aero glass. It divided the community, with some praising its depth and others calling it unnecessary. Well, guess what? Leaks of HyperOS 3 suggest Xiaomi is preparing something similar. Screenshots reveal frosted blur effects, glassy icons, and a transparent, depth-focused search bar. Unlike Apple's bolder implementation, Xiaomi might be opting for a more subtle and minimal approach, keeping readability front and center, while still offering that futuristic glass-like aesthetic. By skipping the Xiaomi 16 and going straight to the Xiaomi 17 series, Xiaomi is making a bold statement. This isn't just another flagship cycle, it's a new era. With a dual-display design on the 17 Pro Max, Apple-inspired UI elements in HyperOS 3, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powering it all, Xiaomi is clearly aiming to blend innovation with familiarity. But the big question remains, are these features true innovations, or is Xiaomi simply following Apple's design playbook? So, what do you think? Is Xiaomi being clever by adopting and improving on Apple's ideas, or are they just copying the iPhone 17 experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.